This is the AG, an electric actuator from GP Fluid Control. It is ideal for controlling ball valves and butterfly valves. You can choose the AG2, which has a maximum torque of 20 Nm, or the AG4, which has 40 Nm. Then the AG2, it opens in about 4 seconds, and the AG4 in about 7 seconds. So the AG2 and AG4 are available in two versions. So we have the 100 to 240 volt AC version and the 24 volt AC/DC version. The 24 volts version comes standard in DC settings, but you can easily adjust this to AC on the PCB. But please be careful when you change this, because a wrong setting or a wrong voltage might damage the actuator. All versions have limit switches for open and closed signal feedback. So furthermore, the actuator has an aluminum housing with a position indicator and a manual emergency operation. So the actuator is controlled with a 3-point signal. This means that you use two steering signals, one for open and one for close. And we recommend not to use cables of more than approximately 3 meters to prevent possible interference in the signal. The actuator has no internal energy storage, so power is always required for operation. In the resting position, the engine is off and the actuator consumes hardly any power. So at that point, the only power that it needs is for the heating element inside the housing that prevents any condensation. So the actuator can be mounted on valves with the standard ISO 5211 flange in sizes FO3, FO4 or FO5. And to make sure that the actuator fits and that the torque is sufficient, we've developed suitable actuator valve combinations here in-house and tested them. So you can, of course, also use your own valve, that's not a problem, but please pay close attention to the specifications of the valve that you want to use in combination with this actuator. And 3 reasons why the AG2 or AG4 actuator is a perfect product for you. It has a reliable motor, it's compact, and due to the strong housing, it's suitable for light industrial applications, and it has limit switches and a manual override. Now, applications where this product is not fully suitable, so the AG2 and AG4 cannot modulate. For this purpose, we have the AG5. It's a bit larger. And for larger valves, you should also consider the AG5 because it's a bit more powerful and can deliver torque up to 50 Nm. So if you have any questions about GP Fluid Control's AG2 or AG4 actuator or any other product from us, please contact me or someone else from Thames.